Today, we will be showing you how to install the electrical wiring to run your Brake Buddy systems. This demonstration will include two parts, one for installing the dash mount connector and for the breakaway installation. The tools you will need are wire cutters, wire strippers, crimpers, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a drill. Starting with the dash mount connector, look under the dash in the towed vehicle's driver's side for grommets or holes to connect through the firewall. Select a convenient mounting location for the dash mount connector and route the wire from inside the vehicle into the engine compartment. Use the provided grommet to protect the wire. Finally, use the 2 screws, 2 washers, and 2 nuts provided to secure the dash mount connector to the dash. Before moving into the breakaway portion, remember that the breakaway is an important part of the Brake Buddy system and is required by law in most states. Do not operate your Brake Buddy without a properly functioning breakaway. To mount the breakaway switch, first find a sturdy, clean spot on the front of your towed vehicle. Peel and stick the included hook and loop strip with the ring facing forward toward the rear of the motorhome. Attach the bracket with the included screws to further secure the switch. If you run into any problems or have questions, call the Brake Buddy experts at 1-800-470-2287.